Today we're going to look at a Chrome app that allows one computer to be connected to a projector and then anybody else to be able to take over and present to that computer. So let's see what that really means. So I've done a search for the Chrome Web Store, and now that I'm in the store I'm doing a search for Google Cast EDU. And this time we're not doing an extension, but we're doing an app, and we can add to Chrome and add the app. So apps are located, mine are here at the top. If you're using a Chromebook, it's gonna be a little circle at the bottom that you can use to see all of your apps. And once you get to your app, you can go ahead and open it. So the receiver name is what the students or whoever's in the room casting to the device are going to see. If you are in one room all the time, you might want to put your room number, or if you move around, you might want to put your last name. I would leave the first two checked, and then if you just want, instead of a gray box, a pretty image in the background, you can just paste the URL for an image. It does need to end in JPEG or PNG, and OK. We'll go ahead and hit save. So you can go into settings if you ever need to change the name of your device, or if you want to change the background image. It just gets you back to the screen we were just at. Sharing is where you can invite individuals or entire classrooms so that they can wirelessly project using your computer. So we'll go ahead and hit share. And here you can, it automatically connects with your Google Classroom. So if you wanted to have an entire group, you could add them at once, or you can also type in individual names. And then you have some different options here. You can allow them to automatically present, or where you need to click approved before they present. And you can always change this on the fly. So if you're doing a whole bunch of class presentations, or you're doing a large group meeting with adults, everybody can just present instantly, and then you can always change it to request down the road. So we'll just say can present and add. And then don't forget to click save. So now we'll jump on as a student. Okay, so now I'm logged into a second device, and this device could be the student device, so they can wirelessly present to the teacher station that is connected to the projector. It could also be the teacher themselves that they'd like to walk around the room with a Chromebook presenting on the projector still, or it could be a PLC, a group of adults doing a presentation, meeting, whatever that is. It gives you a lot of options. So right now I'm logged in as a student. And I went to the Math Learning Center apps website. There's all these interactive math tools that are fabulous. And I went ahead and created something with the geoboard, and I used the pencil then to overlay over the top my thinking to find the area, and I can turn that off just to see the geoboard itself, but you'll see it's interactive. So now I can click on these three dots. So again, I do need to be in Chrome. I click on the three dots and hit cast. And I have some items in my house that also use cast, but room number 99, that was my teacher station. I can check that. So now I'm back on the teacher station, and before I had the student cast to me, I had it so the teacher can present, but students can request. And hit save. So if you do have it set so that that students can request to present, you'll need to hit the accept button. So now, even though I'm on the teacher station, I'm seeing what's on the student's computer. So they have complete control over the mouse, and they don't have access to any files on your computer. All you can do is you're seeing in one window what they see on their screen. So again, there's lots of different ways you could use this. You could have the teacher's station in the front connected to the projector and the teacher on a Chromebook walking around. So it gives the teacher untethered access. You could have students presenting to the device that's connected to the projector, or even within a meeting you can have everybody take turns presenting, but nobody's having to stand in front of the room or connect and disconnect devices. So that is Google Cast for EDU.